Welcome back to the Conversion Stack. We have an awesome guest today, Vlad Negron, our Director of Marketing. And we're going to talk something really fun and really unique is the value of project management and soft skills in marketing. We're going to talk about AI. We're going to talk about stakeholder management. We're going to talk about timelines, scopes, all these awesome things that we tend to believe actually help speed up creativity and speed and agility. So let's dive in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on your favorite podcast platform. Let's go. All right, Vlad, our final segment. This is a fun one because we all like to predict the future, even though we're living in it. So we're talking project management, and the segment is predicting the future. So what is your prediction?
So if you've been listening to these segments, this will be a little bit of a callback here, but the project management of the future will shift away from admin work. That's the punchline. What will they do instead? So to me, they start cultivating other more useful skills in some respects. Things like strong soft skills, leadership capabilities, strategic thinking, all things that we see that project managers, or I see that project managers are capable of, but if they're like too bogged down with all this other stuff, like they just don't have time or brain power to dedicate to that. So having that shift is going to be a great one.
Boom. I hope that, I love that because, I think life today, pre-AI, has become very admin worky. Like we just live on computers inputting information. And my hope for AI is that the admin work can be outsourced, but the high value soft skills, like what you just mentioned, is where we put a lot of our efforts. And as much scariness as there is into AI, I love when it can drive opportunities like that, because I think that itself is going to provide better work, better output. That's a good one. Better people. Yeah. Better people. Heck yeah. I love it. So there you have it. The future, unless you love admin work, I know there's some of you guys out there, will remove some of that and allow us to flex the areas that we enjoy and appreciate and make us better.